Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in accountancy. In this video I am going to explain how to calculate the interest on drawings under direct method in partnership account series. Now we are calculating by applying the formula. We are calculating the interest on drawings. Interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawings into rate into number of outstanding months divided by 12 months. Generally, direct method is used where single withdrawal is made during the accounting period. 1st April, accounting period starts from 1st April and ends with what? Ends with 31st March. Where single withdrawal is made, so only one withdrawal is made, single withdrawal is made by the partner, then we are calculating the interest on that withdrawal from the date of withdrawal to what? To 31st March. In case of limited withdrawals, that is 2 or 3 withdrawals are also there in the question, we can also apply this method of calculation of what? Interest on drawings. Only a limited withdrawal is made by partner, we can also apply this method for that circumstances. Accounting period starts from 1st April and ends with 31st March. How we are going to calculate interest? In first withdrawal, interest is calculated from the date of first withdrawal to closing date of accounting period, that is on 31st March. Again, we are calculating interest separately. Second withdrawal, from the date of second withdrawal to 31st March, closing the date of accounting period. If third withdrawal is also there, we are also calculating interest on third withdrawal from the date of third withdrawal to 31st March, that is closing date of accounting period. Generally, this method is applied where single withdrawal is made during the particular accounting period. Now, we are taking the first question under direct method. It is a Mukund is a partner. Who is Mukund? Mukund is a partner who withdrew rupees 20,000. He withdrawn 20,000 from business on 1st October 2019. Means we are in 1920. Accounting period 1st April 2019 and this accounting period ends with 31st March 2020. In this accounting period, he withdraws rupees 20,000 on 1st October 1st withdrawn. How much? 20,000. Interest on drawing is charged at the rate of 12% per annum and accounts were closing every year on 31st March. We are closing accounts 31st March every year. Calculate interest on drawings under direct method. How we are going to calculate interest on drawings under direct method? From the date of withdrawal to closing date of accounting period. Now, interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawing. How much amount of drawing? 20,000. 20,000 into rate. How much rate is given in the question? 12% per annum. 12 by 100 into number of outstanding months. This month is counted from withdrawal date to 31st March. Now count it. October 1st is there. Total October month is countable. October, November, December, January, February, March. Total 6 months. So number of outstanding months 6 months divided by what? Divided by 12 months. Now calculating what? Calculating interest. 12 cancel. 2020. 6 2 ja 12. 1200 is the answer. That is interest on drawing amount is 1200. This is the first question solution. 1200 is the answer. Now I am moving to second question. What is it? Anand is a partner who withdraws rupees 30,000 and interest on drawing is charged at the rate of 12% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings under direct method. Now solution. Solution for question number 2. So by writing the formula, interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate into number of outstanding months divided by what? Divided by 12 months. Now during the accounting period, April 1st ends with 31st March. How much withdrawn? 30,000 withdrawn. Date of withdrawal is given or not given? Date of withdrawal is not given. The date of withdrawal is not given, then we are taking the average months of that accounting period. In accounting period, how many months are there? 12 months are there. Average 6 months. 12 months. Average 6 months. The date of withdrawal is not given. We are taking average period of that accounting period. 12 months. Average is 6 months. Now interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings. Amount of drawing how much? 30,000 into rate. How much rate? 12% per annum. 12 by 100 into number of outstanding months. Date is not given. It is not possible to calculate. From the date of withdrawal to closing date of accounting period, we are taking average months of that particular accounting period. Average is 6 months divided by what? Divided by 12. So 12 cancel. 2 zeros. 6 3 are 18. 2 zeros are there. 1,800. 1,800 is the answer for question number 2. In question number 2, what is there? Date of withdrawal is not given. That is why we are taking the average months, that is 6 months we are taking in accounting period. Average period 6 months we are taking. Calculating the answer 1,800. So we are concluding this method. In next video we are going to discuss the second method, that is average period method. Thank you my dear students.